A US-based entrepreneur, Mr. Godwin O.Elumelu, has sponsored health insurance for 150 indigent persons in his community, Onicha and Onicha North local government area. This is as the Indigent Enrollee Adoption Initiative of the Delta State Contributory Health Commission, a platform that has provided opportunity for well-meaning citizens to purchase health insurance for indigent persons, continued to gain wide acceptance. Commending Mr. O.Elumelu for the gesture, the Director General and Chief Executive Officer of the Delta State Contributory Health Commission, Dr. Isaac Akpoveta, said it was a welcome development to see Deltans in the diaspora heeding the call of the Commission to pay for health insurance for indigent persons in their localities with just a premium of 7,000 naira for a year, saying that health remained the best gift to gift anyone. Dr. Akpoveta, who had earlier toured the 11 medical zones in the state to ensure accredited health facilities under the state insurance scheme provided efficient and effective care of enrollees into the scheme, said Governor Sheriff Oborowori approved and released 1 billion naira for free treatment of the under 5 and pregnant women, which has also been paid to the hospitals. While thanking Governor Oborowori for increased support to the Commission, he encouraged pregnant women and children under 5 to register with the Commission in order to get a health card to access free and quality treatment, even as he urged more persons to key into the Indigent Enrollee Adoption Initiative of the Commission.
Of course, we brought in an initiative for the vulnerable people, vulnerable resident Deltans, to be adopted and registered into the scheme. Was a clarion call by this commission to people of goodwill, philanthropists, organizations, to buy insurance for the less privileged. And today I'm a very happy man, for the fact that this clarion call has been taken up not only even in Nigeria here alone. Our brothers in the diaspora in America, Britain, are buying insurance, sending money home to register a lot of their people. For example, today, Godwin O.Elumelu sent money home to register 150 resident Deltans of the vulnerable group into the scheme. That's a very, very big step of this initiative. People living so far away, remembering home and sending money home. So we're very happy that Godwin O.Elumelu has done this, a US-based philanthropist, entrepreneur, sending money home. So we must tell Deltans in Delta, the diaspora, both in Nigeria and across the world, to remember home, that some of us here need help. Help not to buy food, but to get good health. And we're only asking for 7,000 naira as a premium for a year. And so you can buy insurance for as many people as possible. So once more, I call all Nigerians in the diaspora, Deltas in particular, to kindly continue to purchase health insurance for their people so that they can receive quality health care in Delta State. The Delta State government have done very well. If you visit hospitals in Delta now, you find everywhere renovated, equipment are in place.
The sponsor of the health insurance, Mr. Godwin O.Elumelu, represented by Mr. Paul Elumelu, said the gesture was informed by the need to, among other things, solve the challenge of poor access to healthcare amongst residents of the rural community, owing to the high cost of medications.
Okay.
Your name, sir?
Your name, sir?
My name is Paul Elumelu, representing Godwin Elumelu. I came in respect of this health insurance scheme, which Godwin Elumelu has come to present and to take care of the entire people of this Onicha community. We are indeed very, very grateful for him initiating this idea, and also grateful to our governor who made this possible. We also appreciate the entire people of our community who has come in respect of this healthcare scheme. So we want to thank all members that are present here, the representative of the state government, of the health sector that made it possible for us to enroll on this health scheme.
So the motivation for you, what motivated your family to take up this number of persons to care for?
Okay, what really motivated Godwin Elumelu was that he came to discover that it is a very big challenge for entire people of this community on this health issue, finding it difficult to access health because of the running costs. So hence he decided now to say, no, let him invest on health care delivery.
Who is Godwin Elumelu, sir?
Godwin Elumelu is my brother, younger brother, based in America, who is now financing this project.
Is he an entrepreneur? Is he
a businessman?
What is?
Is he a businessman or a politician?
No, he's an entrepreneur. He's not a businessman. He's not a politician.
Thank you.
Thank you. God.
Two. Others who spoke, including the medical director, General Hospital Onichuku, Dr. Ebigide Chukwuma, the President General of Onichuku Community, Mr. Larry Igbenoba, and the mother of the sponsor, Mrs. Comfort Elumelu, showered encomiums on the state government for releasing huge funds to the State Contributory Health Commission to cater for the health of residents of the state.
It's a very great innovation engaged by Mr. Godwin Elumelu. Accessing health has been an issue for the people in the rural area in terms of finance. So it has always been an issue that we always have to deal with in an environment like this. Bringing this health insurance to the people and in their localities. And I also want to thank the Honorable Governor of Delta State, His Excellency Honorable Sheriff, for what he has done in this scheme. Recently he released some certain amount of funds into the very scheme, and every facility felt the effect of that fund. I also want to use the opportunity to plead for more funds to be released to this scheme.
It's not common. This is the first time somebody is undertaking help in this place. So first of all, I want to appreciate on behalf of myself and President General and the entire community to thank Mr. Godwin Elumelu. And equally thanking the governor of Delta State. As he's reaching out to us. As the President General, we met him several times. I said he wants to reach out to all Delta, and he's not making mistakes. So I want this time to, on behalf of, to thank our governor, Governor Sheriff Operoweri, for making us such a big amount of money for health, in spite of all he's doing. And I want to say that none of the Delta governors has ever let us down. Please clap for governors of Delta State. So thank you very much. Take a message to him, and I will also that he increased his tempo and his contribution, that we are all behind him. He's coming the second time. Let me assure that Onichuku community is for the governor for the second time.
Beneficiaries expressed gratitude to the sponsor and the state government.
Our governor, God bless you in Jesus' name.
The event featured presentation of health insurance cards to the new enrollees of the scheme, as well as a plaque to the sponsor, Mr. Godwin Elumelu, as a health insurance ambassador.
On behalf of Delta State Contributory Health Commission, we hereby present this Health Insurance Award to Mr. Godwin Elumelu.
Eunice Emeyazia reporting.